Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new arena season that is out in Prodigy. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so the new arena season came out today. And as you can see, we are wearing the new gear because we have hacks on. Let's go ahead and look at this stuff. So first up, we have the hero mask. It says a superhero's mask protects their identity. Never go out without it. Hard bonus of 8. So this is going to be another arena season that isn't great, but at least the days are going to be shorter for this, and I'll get into that a little later. So next up, we have the hero costume, a sturdy costume made for action, pow, zap, wham, and that is also a heart bonus of 8. Hero hook, a hook used to climb up tall buildings in the blink of an eye. Spell unlimited power, range 3, power bonus 20. So this is going to be a decent wand. And then we have the boots. Hero boots, tough but lightweight leather boots, perfect for chasing down villains. Hard bonus of 8. There is nothing else, which is one of the disappointing things, because I really think there could have been a lot of potential for the buddies, like superhero buddies. And there is the trophy thing up there. I need to get the trophies to show you guys what those look like. Alright, so I got myself the buddies the house items real quick. But as you can see, the season is 101 days. We aren't going to claim that, but the season is 101 days, 7 hours, and 21 minutes, which is shorter than last season. To get to the mask and the bronze one, you need to get to like 1,500, I think. Yeah. And then silver, you get this and this, and then gold, you get this and this. So I'm probably banned from the arena because of hacks, but let's go ahead and try to get into a battle. Yeah, there we go. I honestly actually think that this costume looks really cool because you can actually like see the hair. It doesn't have eyes, which is surprising. I really like how this looks, but now we are going to go and look at the house items. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for them. They will be in miscellaneous, I think this is, and then if we go all the way to the end, there we go. Let's go ahead and put these down somewhere there, there, and there. So they look decent. I think this is I like the costumes, but they still are missing out on the potential that they do have for their arena seasons. Like, there need to be buddies and items again. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.